Hey, come closer. I have some amazing tips for you. If you want to score 9 out of 9 in listening module, listen me out. Being familiar with different English accent and the most common are Australian, British and American. Second thing, concentration, because you will not get a chance to listen to listening audio for the second time. Read instructions because it is the most crucial part in IELTS listening module. Don't forget to underline current, pre and post keywords. Get involved with scripts when it requires, most of the times in maps and in section 3. Pay attention to high pitch and low pitch words. If you want detailed video on it, check it out on my YouTube channel.